guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by Myfirstwig. Honestly guys, I'm so in love with this wig. I think this wig is so cute. I love the wig so much. So anyway, this is the 8-inch pre-styled Pixie wig. The wig comes pre-cut, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes pre-styled as a side part. So the wig is ready for you to install straight out of the box. It comes pre-plucked as well, as you guys can see. Comes with a very clean hairline. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I installed and defined the curls, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. You guys can see the hairline looks so good. I need to wet the hair, style the hair, and then yeah, you guys can see how good the hairline looks. The lace as well looks really good. So I've just applied some of my cream bronzer to tint the lace, and this matches me perfectly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig. I don't really think I need to glue it down because this fits really snug on my head, and I've just used the adjustable elastic band on the inside of the wig. So
nice.
so this is what the wig looks like. Honestly, this Pixie wig I feel like is perfect for summer. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go do my makeup and then come back and show you guys the finished look. I'm actually so excited to do my makeup because I feel like this wig with my makeup done, yeah, that's definitely gonna eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then come back and show you guys the finished look. So here's the finished look. I've done my makeup and this is how everything is looking. Honestly, I feel like this wig is so cute, definitely perfect for summer. Like, guys, very low maintenance. You don't have to do too much to this wig. I really do like this wig from Myfirstwig. So this is their 8-inch pre-styled pixie cut curly wig. So the wig came pre-cut, it came pre-bleached, and it came pre-styled as a side part just like this. So literally when you get this wig, all you have to do is just to install the wig, and you can wear the wig glueless, but I decided to use my bedhead spray today, you know, just to melt the lace in as much as possible. And honestly, I'm so impressed with the hairline, guys. It comes pre-plucked. I didn't have to go in to customize the hairline or, you know, do anything to it. So look at how clean the hairline looks. It just looks so good. So the wig is literally ready for you to install straight out of the box. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think of this wig in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.